Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel WG News. I hope you'll be fine. This time we talk about Colorado governor declared disaster emergency over bird flu outbreak. Once again, I say welcome back to new viewers and all viewers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest update. Stay connected with me. Like and share my video. The move comes on mission from the H5N1 various impact another here in the state. Colorado Governor Jared Polis issued an emergency disaster declaration in his state over an outbreak of highly pathogenic bird flu in northeastern Val County as officials recently reported that 1.8 million chickens were impacted by the virus. The governor verbally declared a disaster after an avian flu outbreak in a medical poultry facility in a commercial poultry facility in a Weld County, according to a news release from his office issued on Monday. Mr. Police Office did not name the facility that was impacted by the outbreak. The the declaration means that Colorado can use its emergency powers to tackle disaster and appropriate state action to assist with the response, recovery, and mitigation efforts. In an update issued on July 8, the Colorado Department of Agriculture confirmed that 1.78 million chickens were impacted by highly pathogenic avian influenza. The Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment said in a statement on July 3 that a dairy farm worker in Colorado was infected with the H5N1 bird flu and had direct exposure to cattle infected with the virus is only symptom for the conjunct activities and colloquially known as pink eye, which was described by the Johnson Mill. He has recovered this case is an employee at a dairy farm in Northwest Colorado who had direct exposure to dairy cattle infected with avian flu. To protect patient privacy, additional details are not being provided. The agency said last week in a news release. It's not clear if the infected farm worker had any connection to their infected chickens. Two Weld County officials in the state said that the bird flu risk to Colorado residents remains low. Nothing that the fears to spreading among the virus is not adapted to spread it from person to person. Director highly said in a news release. Right now, the most important thing to know is that people who have most regular exposure and infected animals are at increased risk of infections and should take precaution when they have contact with sick animals. They advise people not to touch sick or dead animals. If necessary, people should wear protective gear such as eye protection gloves and N95 respirator masks. The H5N virus associated with their cases also impacted about 2 dozen medical diary here to Colorado over the past month or so, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Colorado had no avian in influenza case thought out to 2023, but in 2022, eight medical poultry flocks were infected by the virus, according to federal data. In 2022, a human H5N1 case in Colorado was detected by someone who was exposed in a infected bird. Officials say so far in 2024, their other dairy worker has been infected with the virus, with one occurring in Texas in April and two in Michoacan in May. Two reported contact activities, while one reported having a cough and eye discomfort with a watery discharge, say a federal health official. I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you like this video, have a nice time. Goodbye.